If you've ever wished you could move pages from one Canva design to another without rebuilding everything from scratch, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to transfer pages between Canva designs. The quick and efficient way, updated for 2025. Whether you're organizing a big project or reworking an old presentation, this trick will save you loads of time. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Canva design that contains the pages you want to move. Once you're in, look toward the bottom bar of your screen and click the grid view icon. This view displays all your pages at once, giving you a clear overview of your entire design. It's perfect for managing and selecting multiple pages in one go. Next, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each page you want to move. You'll notice they get highlighted as you select them. That means they're all ready to go. This method is super handy because it lets you select several pages at once instead of moving them individually. Once you've chosen your pages, simply press Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on Mac. This copies your selected pages, complete with all their text, images, and formatting, to your clipboard. Now, open the Canva design where you want these pages to go. You can do this in a new tab or within the same window, whichever feels easier. Once the new design is open and ready, click where you want to insert the pages, then press Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. Just like that, your copied pages will appear in the new design, perfectly formatted and ready to edit. You can rearrange them, tweak the content, or continue designing without losing any of your original work. And that's it. You've successfully moved pages to a different Canva design. This quick method is a huge time saver, especially when managing multi-page projects or collaborating with others. So next time you're reorganizing your work, remember, a few simple shortcuts can completely streamline your Canva workflow. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.